Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 5-ingredient peanut butter cookies. These peanut butter cookies are so soft and delicious, and they only require 5 ingredients to make. You'll of course need peanut butter, and you want to make sure it's a creamy kind. You'll also need granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. That's right, there is no flour in this recipe. None needed, no substitutions needed. There's just no flour required to make a peanut butter cookie. Preheat an oven to 350 degrees, and you'll want to line a baking sheet with either parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. If you don't have parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, you can lightly grease the baking sheet, but for better results, use parchment paper or the baking mat. We need to measure out 1 cup of peanut butter, and it helps if you lightly grease your measuring cup. Then we can scoop our peanut butter in to measure it, and it'll come out a ton easier. Then we'll plop this into a medium-sized mixing bowl, and you can see it actually comes out pretty well. Then we'll add in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna cream this together for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and smooth. You want the peanut butter and sugar to be really well mixed. Then we'll add in 1 egg, get that in there, and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is my homemade. And then we'll be able to mix this together until well combined. After about 30 to 60 seconds of mixing, you can see that the dough comes together and can easily be shaped into a little dough ball. Pinch off about a heaping tablespoon of the dough, and you'll roll this quickly into a little ball and place it onto your prepared baking sheet. This recipe makes between 21 and 24 cookies depending on the size that you made them. You can either use 2 trays or bake in batches, it doesn't really matter. Before baking, you'll take a fork and gently press each cookie down. And I like to do a little crisscross pattern. Once you have all of them smushed, we're gonna bake these in the 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Then you'll remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on the pan. Don't remove them from the pan until they're completely cooled. And that's it, you are ready to eat. You'll want to store your completely cooled cookies in an airtight container. They should stay good for about 3 to 4 days, but you're probably going to eat them all first because these are that good. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.